Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that can often feel a little awkward, but is super important for many people: how to increase sex power naturally. Whether you're dealing with low energy or just want to feel more confident, improving your sex health is within your control, and it starts with small, simple changes in your lifestyle. So, let's get started with some helpful tips to boost your sex power naturally. Before we dive into the tips, let's talk about why your sexual health matters. It's not just about performance in the bedroom, it's also about your overall well-being. When your body feels good, your mind follows. And that leads to better confidence, relationships, and overall happiness. First things first, food. What you eat plays a big role in your sex power. Eating a well-balanced diet helps improve your circulation, stamina, and energy. So, let's look at a few foods that can help boost your performance. Leafy greens like spinach are packed with nitrates that improve blood flow, while omega-3 rich fish like salmon can help with heart health, which directly impacts sexual performance. Nuts, like almonds and walnuts, are rich in vitamins and minerals that support hormone production. And berries full of antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and boost blood flow. Also, don't forget whole grains and lean proteins. They provide the energy and stamina your body needs to perform at its best. And if you want to give your libido a little boost, try adding a small amount of dark chocolate to your diet. It can increase serotonin and endorphin levels, which can improve your mood and sexual desire. Now, let's talk about exercise. It's not just about hitting the gym. Physical activity plays a huge role in boosting your sex power. Regular exercise improves your circulation and strengthens your heart, which means better blood flow to all parts of your body, including your sexual organs. Cardiovascular exercises, like running or cycling, are especially beneficial because they help with stamina and energy. And don't underestimate the power of strength training. Building muscle improves testosterone levels, which can enhance libido and sexual function. Even doing yoga can help you relax and improve flexibility, both of which can improve your performance in the bedroom. Let's talk about something that a lot of people overlook: sleep and stress management. Sleep is incredibly important for your overall health and sexual performance. Poor sleep can lower testosterone levels and decrease your energy. Aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep every night to help your body repair and recharge. And on the other hand, stress can have a big impact on your sex drive. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can reduce testosterone and overall libido. Taking time for relaxation like meditation, deep breathing, or just unwinding with a good book can help reduce stress and improve your sexual health. If you're looking for an extra boost, there are a few natural supplements that might help improve sex power. But remember, these should be used alongside a healthy lifestyle, not as a quick fix. Ginseng and maca root are two popular herbs that are believed to help increase energy levels and improve sexual performance. Zinc is another essential mineral that supports healthy testosterone levels and sperm production. Just make sure to consult your healthcare provider before adding supplements to your routine. Finally, confidence plays a huge role in your sex power. Mental health is just as important as physical health when it comes to performance. When you feel good about yourself, it can increase your desire and energy. Taking care of your mental well-being through activities you enjoy, setting realistic expectations, and communicating openly with your partner can all help you feel more confident and reduce performance anxiety. To sum it up, improving your sex power is all about making small but impactful changes in your daily life. Eating the right foods, exercising regularly, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and focusing on your mental well-being can all contribute to better performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself. Your health is your wealth.